Welcome back. Welcome back to the Crypto Factor. Welcome back to your favorite cryptopreneurship show on the internet. My name is Paul. This channel is all about cryptopreneurship for cryptopreneurs and aspiring cryptopreneurs. Notice I'm saying cryptopreneurs a lot. Anyway, welcome back. We do short videos getting straight to the point here. We do interviews with some of the most successful people and pioneers in crypto. We do reviews, project reviews. We do live streams. We do a whole bunch of stuff. We even do the occasional MC. We're going to be talking about that a little later. Welcome back. Man, what's going on with the crypto's prices? What's going on with Bitcoin? What is going on in the industry? It's actually crazy. It's actually crazy. We're going to be talking about this, and we're going to be answering all your questions. Any questions you may have right now about crypto or anything, as a matter of fact, this is you. Put it in the chat. We will address each and every one of them. Until then, I see Rene Montenegro saying, I say sideways action for at least a year, then the bull market continues. I say April 2023. Sorry, guys. Hey, Rene, very possible, man. You're also saying we might even double bottom in the next couple of weeks and touch 17.5 before continuing to rise. Yes, that is quite possible, but let's see what happens. I see John Shepard in the chat saying, hey, Paul, hope you are well. And yes, sir, I am well, but very tired, losing my voice. I actually did an MC. I actually did a show as a special guest yesterday night. It was crazy. We'll talk about it in a little bit. I'll talk about the whole thing. It was insane. It was insane, and yeah. It was a lot of fun. It brought back memories, got back on stage. 6,000 people at that festival, man. That was actually not bad. And I see Peter Shazor, saw your concert video, you rock. Thank you very much, man. Really appreciate it. It wasn't my concert. I just came on as a special guest, a surprise guest. It's been 7 years since I got on stage. 7 years, but they actually persuaded me. My friend Lava persuaded me to get on stage with him, and I did. And I'll be honest, man. I got the little. I'm intrigued. I got some offers about making some tracks. Got some offers about doing some shows. People remembered me. It was fun, man. It was fun. It was actually pretty cool. I see random videos. That's my man Luke over there. Yeah, you can hear my voice is a bit scratchy, man. I see Torsten Hampel. Hey, Paul, you're not only looking good. Thank you very much. I'm not only looking good, I'm feeling good too. Hey, man, I'm feeling good too. Aliel, Paul, I was waiting. Cool, man. The best question, would you DCA now in altcoins? We'll talk about that in a little bit. Hey, Paul, are you based in Greece? Yes, I am. So what is going on with Bitcoin? Let's talk about Bitcoin a little bit. Let's talk about the markets. Let's answer your questions, and then I'll tell you about my little MC endeavor that I went through yesterday. It was actually quite funny, actually, making fun of someone too. Anyway, so we're looking at the Bitcoin price, and I did say we're gonna go up. I told you to buy at 18K, 19K. I told you to buy again at 20K. Told you we were going up, and it seems we're hitting our targets. And also, we're showing relative strength. Let me explain. In my theory, capitulation already happened. I'm not going to talk about it right now. I made other videos about that. I even made a bet with Gareth Soloway. And we do seem to be going up. Now, does that mean we're going to continue going up? Not necessarily. Hold on. We're going to be talking about it. But right now, on Bitcoin, we are at what? We are at... See here? We're at 23,700. We're holding above this. Now, it looks like we've made this support. It looks like we have strength. What we're lacking is volume. We need volume, and we need to break, again, we need to break this 23,900, and we need to break this top right here, about 24, maybe 25,000. Let me go to the daily real quick. Let me see this. Yeah, about 24,600, right? We had a drop here. We should be able to close this. I mean, I was telling you down here that we should be able to take this back, maybe reach around the 26, 28,000 level. And what we'd really love is to break 32K 500. I'm going to call it 33K psychological. We need to break that, make it support for a chance to continue on the upside here. And it is quite possible. I mean, I told you, I made a bet. I even said that something's going to happen. We're going to have a dovish Fed, or something's going to happen. The war's going to end. And it looks like it might play out. I'm not telling you it is, all right? But if you got it when I told you, you could be taking profits right now and keep half in, or take your initial investment out and keep the rest in, and that way you're playing with house money. So we're doing good right here. And I am pretty bullish. Let's see how it goes. I think we should be going up at least until September, mid-September, maybe even a little bit later. Yes, we're not going to go straight up. We're going to have our little dives and everything. But let's see what happens, because this may be a really strong relief rally. Right? But it could just actually turn into a rally. If you remember, I actually said that we're going to get back into a bull market right after the summer, or by the end of this year, but the price will reflect it, and we will confirm that. We're going to start saying that, yes, in hindsight, we're in a bull market in early 2023. That is my view. I know about the crisis. I know about these world macros. I know all about that. I have a different perspective on things, okay? So let's have a look here about what's going on in the chat. And the best question, would I DCA right now? Well, I've been DSAing, which is a dollar swing, DC, dollar swing averaging. If you don't know what that is, I made a video about it. It's a coin. I coined the term. It's about buying when it goes in the swing lows, right? And I have a video telling you how to do that. DCAing is good as well. Would I DCA right here? I'd wait to see what happens tomorrow, to see if we break up or break down right here. But if you're a long-term investor, I don't see why you couldn't buy some right here. Then if it goes down, buy some more, and so on. It's very possible it might be a good move. But remember, you should have bought when I told you to buy at 18, 19K. And then again when we broke 20. Right? Right now, you're getting at higher levels. There may be less opportunity. We might go back down to the 20K level or so, maybe 19,800 or so. We don't know that. Let me switch this off real quick. Got my phone on. Right? So it's really a wait and see right now, and see what we're doing. I'm feeling bullish. It does not mean I'm permanently bullish. Well, I'm a perma bull in general, but I'm not permanently bullish right now. But those are my views. Yeah, Shaiju, I am based in Greece. Zilliqa had an outage yesterday. I was literally on stage yesterday. I don't know what happened. Would Bitcoin go down to 20K? Well, I just mentioned we might, so that's pretty cool. So I'm also a fortune teller. As you can see, I can even look in the future and see what questions we have here. Hi, Houston, what's up? Drinking soda, by the way. And when I say soda, I mean soda water. Stephen V saying, greetings from Belgium. What's my man? What's up, my man from Belgium? Coal price prediction in 2030. Crow price. I don't do predictions for 2030, dude. Like, that's like guessing. And that's really just people that do shows or calls like that. It's just, you can't disprove them for 10 years. So anything happens, doesn't matter. They just live on that quote, and it's stupid to make a quote like that. No one knows, really. No one knows if it's gonna exist, dude. Hi, Paul from Belgium. Yep. Hey, Paul. Much love from my retirement, and I thank you very much, Tricky BJJ. I hope you're doing well. Again, Mr. Blue, homie, what's up, man? And Aliel saying, I hope 15K Bitcoin one leg down. It's possible, but let's see. Sitters say Ethereum is scary. Look, I'm bullish on Ethereum, by the way, but there will be a sell the event. I think sell the news event come the upgrade. And here's what's going to happen. Here's what's going to happen with Ethereum. And I know this is going to sound like I'm saying, oh, this can happen, this can happen, this can happen. And, I'm trying to, sound correct in any situation. No, I'm just trying to, open your mind a little bit and understand that there are a few possibilities here. And the question is not the call. The question is, what's your play? Because here's the deal. Many people are expecting a pump of Ethereum for the upgrade, which will be sometime in September, correct? Now, a lot of people are waiting to sell that news, to sell as soon as that update comes up, right? So because of the build-up to that point, so they're going to be selling the news. But then there's a lot of people that are going to be expecting a sell of the news event. And these people that are expecting the sell of the news event, they're going to try to take advantage of that. So here's what I think you should do right now. I think if you're getting into Ethereum or you have Ethereum, watch Bitcoin, watch the markets. If we are bullish, even though people are going to sell the event, I see a wick and further upside on Ethereum. If we are generally bearish, it's going to be a sell the event and it might struggle to get up. Either way, if Ethereum is going to do very well over time, so it's a pretty good play. And if you remember last year, before the bear market, we called the bear market, I said in the bear market, you want to be accumulating Bitcoin, but this time also Ethereum, when the prices are low. So if you remember that, you would have probably bought Ethereum at $900 as well, or 800, wherever it got down to. I think I bought around 1,000, I bought some more. But generally, you'll be doing good right now. And what you can do is maybe sell part of your position or your initial investment around the time just a little bit before the upgrade. And then you can either buy back if it goes lower. But if it doesn't go lower and it keeps on going up because it's a bullish market, you can always buy other altcoins that have a further run than Ethereum. Does that make sense? So that's a play to pay attention to, if you will. China, what? American, Taiwan, don't understand what you're saying. Hi from Dubai. What's up, Dubai? Sensei Lama. One coin now, one talk about ICP, Internet of Computer. Don't know what you're talking about. Sorry. I'm doing very well. I'm hella bullish on Ethereum and layer 1 first. Yep, I seen your Instagram post. You have many layers. Yeah, I do a lot of things, man. Let me show everybody what we're talking about real quick. It's gonna take like less than 60 seconds, I promise. Let me just show everybody what people are talking about, or what I've been talking about here. Let me go on my channel real quick. Watch this. This is a show we did the other day. By the way, if you're hearing munching noises or any weird noises, my dog's behind me licking his, well, you know. So let me just show you real quick. This is what we've been talking about. I was actually on stage at this concert here. Let me show you this video and I'll tell you about it 1 second.
Physical Homas guest Paul D, the Crypto Factor. In a massive noise. Ardas! Put those hands up in the air! Vamos a ajustar una semana! Let me see those hands up in the air! Go! Let's go! Pragmata superficie Deseante code posa sopo Put the microphone up in the air right now! Let me hear you then! Come on! Come on!
Anyway, that's what we're talking about. I was actually on stage. Well, what happened was, a while ago, my friend Lava, I know a lot of singers, I used to MC basically, not sing, in Greece and around Europe, Balkans and so on. And my friend Lava is like, yo man, why don't you come down to this festival? It's gonna be a lot of people, over 5,000 people. There was actually 6,000 people. Come on stage with me, man, do my back vocals, let's do a show, do a comeback. I'm like, I'm not gonna do a comeback, dude. He's like, come down, it's gonna be fun. I'm like, you know what? Let's do it. My girlfriend never saw me on stage. I'm like, you know what? Let's do it. So we hopped on the plane, went down there. Everything was paid for, obviously, by Lava. I really thank him about that. Food, plane, accommodation. Had a great time. We went down there and, yeah, I got on stage and it was fun, man. There was a lot of people I knew that still remembered me. I saw a lot of people. I was there with some really big names. The audience went crazy. It was about 6,000 people. And, man, I gotta admit, I really want to do it again. I'm this close to saying I'm going to start emceeing again. You know what I mean? Maybe making a couple of tracks, maybe getting on stage, maybe some clubs. But man, it was crazy, but it was tiring as hell. I mean, we left in the morning. We had to get up at 4, get to the airport. We went over there and they're like, okay, sleep, get some sleep. We're going to do a sound check at 7:30 in the evening. But then there was a change of plans. The sound check was at 2:30. So I had to run for the sound check, which was hilarious. And everything was far away. So there was like a VIP coach that would take us back and forth, the whole team. And then I came back and then we went back again. I did the show. We didn't get much sleep, but it was fun. It was crazy as hell. And yeah, I'm this close. Do you think? Tell me if you think. Let me do a poll real quick. Do you think I should MC again? Wait a second. Wait. Should I make a comeback as an MC? Question mark. Yes, no. Ask your community. So I'm doing a poll. Tell me if you think I should make a comeback as an MC, do some crypto songs or whatever, or if you think I'm too old, or I don't know, I should concentrate on what I'm doing here because, I can't do too many things at the same time. Let me know in the poll. You'll see it at the top there. And let's see what people say here. We'll check the stats in a little bit. So let's see, what else? What other questions do we have here? Let me drink some soda. Okay. John Shepard, how many coins should you invest in realistically for diversity, but not to spread your money too thin for each? That's a very, very good question. First of all, let me explain something about diversity because people are getting this wrong. If you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever, Matic, Cosmos, Litecoin, XRP, ADA, SafeMoon, God knows why, or whatever, right? In cryptocurrency, you're not diversified. You're not. Diversification is diversification in different industries. If crypto goes down, everything goes down. If crypto goes up, everything goes up. So you're not diversified. Diversification, real diversification, would be stocks, gold, crypto, commodities, so on, right? So different sectors and different industries, that's diversification. Now, if you want to be diversified in crypto, I mean, I've been known to hold 30 coins, but I think around 10 you can keep track of, 15 maybe, is a good number. But it also depends how much money you have invested, correct? So it all really depends. If you have a little bit of money and you want to diversify, maybe 3 to 5 cryptocurrencies, that's your safest bet. Then maybe you can take a few gamble shots. But you could go up to 15, 20 cryptocurrency projects, but make sure they're a little bit, like it's a venture capitalist approach, if you will, right? But your main amount should always be in Bitcoin and maybe Ethereum, and your profits from other cryptocurrencies should be going into larger projects or hopefully Bitcoin. Does that make sense? Because the only truly decentralized cryptocurrency that's sound money, if you will. Solana 800 next bull run, Aliel. Yeah, I see it at about 700 to 1,000. It's very possible, even though I would call 300 to 700 just to make sure, but we can get to 1,000. What do I think about HBAR? I think it's going to run in the next bull run. Last bull run, I was telling everybody should run in the next bull run. So, along with VeChain and some other cryptocurrency projects, Algorand and so on. I'm going to make a video about that actually at some point. What price are you expecting to sell the news for? It's not, the ETH merge is not about a price, it's about a range, and it's about around the time of the release. So I would give it a week before, a few days before, it all depends. So make sure you're scaling up in the sell and taking profits. It's not exact time or price. It's a range both in time that you want to be taking profits and price. So make sure you do that correctly. Long-term HBAR, Mr. Blue is looking bullish. My opinion, also get your hands on Algorand. Yeah, I agree. I don't know who Mr. Blue is. Maybe he's friends with Mr. Green or Mr. Pink or Brown. Montenegro is laughing his ass off. When Bitcoin reaches the 100,000, start singing career again, my brother. Yeah, that might be a good idea, right? I was actually thinking. I'm telling you, man, I'm this close. People are asking me to make tracks with them. People are asking me to do features. I don't have a problem with a feature. I don't know. We'll see. I'm really considering it. JM, hello. Would you ever consider mentoring somebody? Not in cryptocurrency, man. I've mentored people in sales and marketing, but not really in crypto. Maybe. I'll just leave it out there. Maybe. Cardano's sleeping, man. Yep. It's snoozing hard, right? It's like snoring and shit. Like Cardano's like really snoring. You should do something different and rap about crypto. That's what I was thinking about, Mr. Blue. Oh, Mr. Blue, what's up, man? Mr. Green's friend. I'm just making fun of you, man. I'm just teasing you, right? Stanko Novak. You the Mr. Blue he was talking about? Okay. That was awkward. Hello, Slovenia here. Love Matic. Yeah, I love Matic too. You be the MC for the crypto world. Man, have you guys seen any of my music, really? Like I got tracks with Revolution and crypto engraved. Like I've done shit with music before. It just never went mainstream. I got a couple of mainstream tracks, of course. Mr. Blue, last question. You made a video about Coty last year, so I bought it. Should I dump or hold? I'm hoping it's gonna go up. I made a video about some rumors for Coty. And I actually said that it was Mandaran was the leak or something like that. I think I don't know what Cody's doing. I got out of most of in my cryptocurrency when I called that we're gonna get that when I called we got into the top. When we went down under 52K, I'm like, hey, I'm getting out of most of my positions. I got out of most of my positions for a lot of cryptocurrencies. I was telling people to get out and take profits. I hope you guys did both times. One at 60-something thousand. I remember that very clearly. I have a video about that. And one as soon as we went down under 52K. And I even called 30K bottom and a double top, and we'll see if it will break out or not in a past video. If someone can find that video, by the way, I would really like to make a video out of it. Right now, it depends how much money you lost and what we're talking about. I mean, if it's something that it's very hard to know. If it's like 100 euros or something, then it depends how much 100 euros is to you and how much you lost. If you lost like, you know, if you lost like a couple of hundred and it's worth 100, you can get that money back and be protected if you buy Bitcoin, for example, because that'll double, or Ethereum might triple. And it's a bit more safe than waiting for Coty to go up and make everything back. Maybe you can break even by getting into a more serious or a higher market cap cryptocurrency. How will the CEO of Algorand stepping down affect the price of Algo, or will it have no effect? I didn't know he was actually stepping down. Not sure. What I do know is that Algorand is powering a lot of very powerful crypto projects, one being Exodus.io, the crypto wallet, which I'm a fan of. Thoughts on Uniswap? I think Uniswap's going to do very, very well in the next bull market. To be honest, subscribing to this channel is a type of mentoring. True, Tricky. True, very true. Subscribe down below. Hit the bell notification button. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it. Also, do me a favor. We had up to 35 people earlier on, maybe 40. No one's liking these videos, man. Show some support. These are free videos. Like this video. Give it a like. Share it with a friend. As a matter of fact, if you want to do me a favor, if you are a subscriber right now, I'm going to ask you for a favor if you're watching this. Go to my channel real quick. You don't have to do this. I'm just asking for a favor, okay? But go to my channel real quick if you can. Go here. Watch this video where I'm emceeing right here. Don't worry, I'm not gonna play it right now. But watch this video where I'm emceeing. Just share it. Share it anywhere. Share it on Twitter, Facebook, whatever you want with a friend. Just share that video. I would really, really appreciate it. I agree, Tricky. I'm learning a lot. Thank you very much, John. Really appreciate you as well as Tricky. Mr. Blue says, I used to organize rap battles here in oh, wow, LA 20. Okay, DJ Quick, great memories. Man, yeah, I'll hit you up, man. I performed a lot with DJ Lord from Public Enemy. I'm actually a very good friend with him. Main Flow from Mood. Man, I met the Beat Nuts. I met Wu-Tang. I did a lot of shows with a lot of American artists. It was cool, man. You know, as an MC, not as a rapper, there's a big difference. All right, I'm a very good MC. I can rap, right? I'm just a hustler that can rap good. Okay, I can rap, but I'm mostly an MC host, like a hype man. You know, I know how to get people going crazy. I know my place, right? And yes, while I'm a good rapper, I can rap for European standards. In America, I'll have rappers running around me in circles, dude. I mean, I'm not gonna compete. I'm not gonna compete there, right? So, but maybe like a crypto show or something like that. Yeah, definitely we could do something. Do you think Matic is a buyer right now? Right now, Hania, it's again, we have to wait to see what's gonna happen. But Matic would be one of the only altcoins I would get into if I were to get into right now. But you should have got in when I told you to get in, because now you'd be taking profits, right? So it's kind of a tricky question. It's very hard to answer right here. Tricky says, if you ain't in Matic yet, get in. I'm in at 64 cents Canadian cents heavy with all the upgrades. And yeah, I think it will do very well in the next bull market. I really do. I just don't know if you should buy now. Maybe you should dollar cost average or DSA, which is what I do, yeah? So yeah, so let's see what's going on with the poll here, man. Let's have a look at the poll. Look at this. We have 91%, we have 13 votes so far. 85% says yes, I should rap again or I should do something. 15% says no. I would love to know why you would say yes and why you would say no. Put in the chat why you think I should rap again or I should MC again about crypto and make it a comeback, if you will, or why you don't think I should. I'm just curious. There's no right or wrong answer here. I'm not gonna blame you. I'm not gonna like say anything. I would really like to know. I'd be interested to know, if you will. So yeah, what is an MC? Master of ceremony. A master of ceremony. It started by the Jamaicans when they came down to America. They used to MC weddings, right? And then it became into rap and it became a whole culture thing. I'm not going to get into the history of it right now. But basically an MC is someone that hosts a show. Now, in Europe, what we used to do a lot, when I used to MC, what I mean by MCing, I used to be mostly on the club scenes, and I used to hype the people up, right? I'd be with a DJ, I would make a show, or get people to go crazy, right? I'd have the microphone, like, put your hands up, come on, and stuff like that, right? And get people to dance and have fun. But I would also do that as a hype MC for other artists on stage or for DJs. So when I say MC, that's what I mean. By the way, MC Paul D, which you can find me on Twitter, Instagram, and all my handles. That's where the MC came from, not McAfee. I was actually an MC, right? Even though I like McAfee. So yeah. Hey Paul, thoughts about Luna Classic? Really, Hassan? Come on, man. That's really? That's a serious question. I mean, I told you. Come on, man. JM saying, if it makes you happy, do it. Torsten says, because you're a great entertainer and to do something with music is always good. True, my friend, true. Angela Kennedy says, yes, have a little fun and excitement, Paul. It was a good show. It was fun. The people want a more personal and layered person to follow, basically without the cult feel. Let me show you something, guys. Let me show you something real quick. Let me see if I can find something here. Baldy. What? Because I'm waiting for questions to come in so I can answer. Let me put a clip on, right? See if you can find the hidden message in this music video. I'm gonna drink some water. I'm gonna go grab a soda. I'm done. I'll be right back. Watch this video. Tell me what you think, okay? I'll be right back. I will. All right, give me a second.
Keys Records.
They try to keep us back using fear from skies. They wanna feed us food that was never alive, manufactured in a lab with disease and life. Knowledge is power, and we're starting to see what we need to see. They don't want us to see. We're breaking down walls, the ones that we're in. What they fear most, revolution within.
You share your sweat with the crowd as you collide with your feet. The music's getting you loud. You feel like you want to scream. Don't be a mother, don't be a mother. Don't let those motherfuckers know. Don't be a mother, don't be a mother. Let them know. Just be a mother, don't be a mother. Put motherfuckers know. Don't be a mother, don't be a mother.
Let these motherfuckers know.
Yeah, so sorry about that. I had to go get some water, but that was actually one of my tracks before I stopped. Granted, it wasn't one of my favorite, no one of my best tracks, but it was more crypto related, so I put it on for you guys. Hope you don't mind, by the way. Yeah, let me see. SRC saying, hey, thanks Scott Berg for thank you very much, man. Really appreciate it, man. Hope it helps you out, bro. Hope it helps you out. You look like a young Jason Statham. Thanks very much, man. Thank you. So yeah, so I'm not seeing many comments. I'm not seeing many questions. People probably left with a music video. Maybe it wasn't that good. Maybe I shouldn't be a MC after all. What can I say? Anyway, thank you very much, man. I love you all. Thank you so much for being here. And yeah, I will see you. That was pretty dope. Says DeFi, do your own research. Okay, so I'm getting people here. Let's see if we can stay. But I'm not seeing many questions. If I don't see any questions, I can't stay. So ask away, or I'll come back another day. Ask away, or I'll come back another day. And by the looks of it, I'm gonna be coming back another day. Thank you very much. I love each and every one of you. Make sure you subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.